Okay, today class exercise number 6.4, page number 152. First question, first Roman. In which of the following situations does the list numbers involved in form a GP? See the textbook, then follow to me. Then easily you understood. Question: salary of Sharmila when her salary is 5 lakhs for the first year and expected to receive yearly increase of 10%. Here, what is the question? There means some situations are given. The situations are in the GP or not. That is the question. How to solve there means the situation if you change into the values. Then GP there means second term by first term equal to third term by second term. That is indirectly common ratio you find out. That is a fixed or not, you check it. Then automatically this situation will be followed by GP or not. Easily find out. That's why first what I am taking there means let first term generally denoted with the A, that is initial rate. How much? 5 lakhs rupees. Next A2, that means this is A1 if you consider nothing but A. A2 how to find out there means here 10% increase. 10% increase. What is the general form of a 10% increase like that? There means you recall by the compound interest formula P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. Here P there means 5 lakhs into 1 plus R. R means 10%. R means how much? 10 by 100 n. Here how many years you are taking? Here 1. Next year that means 1. That equal to this value 5 lakhs into 1110 by 100. That means that equal to 5 lakhs into 11 by 10. Fix it. For suppose A3 you want, that is indirectly 1 plus 10 by 100. 2 years you are taking. That means 2 you take. That equal to 5 lakhs into 1110 by 100 into 1110 by 100 because square. So here what to take? Cancel 0 0 0 0. That is into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. You followed. For suppose A4 you find out. Then 5 lakhs into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 like that. Now first what I am taking there means A2 by A1 I am finding. A2 means how much? 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs into 11 by 10 whole divided by A1. A1 that means 5 zeros. This value cancel. How much you are getting? 11 by 10. Similarly, A3 by A2 you find out. A3 by A2. A3 means 5 lakhs into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 whole divided by A2. A2 means 5 lakhs into 11 by 10. 5 lakhs, 5 lakhs. 11 by 10, 11 by 10 get cancelled. How much you are getting? 11 by 10. Here what you observe there means A2 by A1 equal to A3 by A2. You find out A4 by A3 going on. It is indirectly what is it meaning? Common ratio. That equal to 11 by 10. So common ratio will be fixed in this situation. That's why this situation is in a form of GP. So here indirectly what is the meaning? That means any situation given, it is a GP or not. How to check it there means first you find out common ratio. Common ratio there means the ratio of two consecutive terms will be fixed. Then automatically that situation is called by the geometric progression. Now see the second problem. Now see the second question. Number of bricks needed to make each step. If the staircase has total 30 steps, bottom step needs 100 bricks and each successive step needs 2 bricks less than the previous step. This situation is in the form of a GP or not. See the textbook. How to solve it there means first bottom steps, how many bricks are there? Bottom step number of bricks in bottom steps equal to 100. Next, second step, how many will come? 2 bricks less than the previous step. First 100 is there, 2 bricks less. That means 100 minus 2. How much? 98. Third step, how many? 98 minus 2. How much? 96. Like that we will go it. So here situation what happened? 100, 98, 96 going on. Here you observe it. This is not follow a GP because second term by first term is not equal to third term by second term. So this situation is not in the form of a GP. It is the second situation problem. Now see the third problem. Now see the third situation. What is the third situation? That means read the question. The perimeter of a triangle, if you consider 24, 24, 24. That means each side will be 24 centimeters will be there. That 24 centimeters what happened if you consider by the midpoints. That means first you find out 3 sides perimeter will be 24 centimeters. How to solve this problem there means. So according to the question, what is the given there means perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of the triangle equal to 24 centimeters. Now each side you find out. All will be equal at a triangle. Equal triangle means all sides are equal. That's why each side how much will come is 24 by 3 you take. That equal 8 centimeters. So here what will come then means each will be 8 centimeters will form. Then question will be midpoints if you consider. Midpoints there means 8 centimeters side half you consider. Midpoint of each side. How much will come? 8 by 2 equal to 4 centimeters. Continuously. Next triangle. Next triangle how much will come? 4 by 2 equal to 2. Like that will go. That means GP sequence how to will come there means the sequence 8, 4, 2, next one 1 by 2 like that will go it. Now A2 by A1 you find out nothing but A 4 by 8 that equal to 1 by 2. A3 by A2 2 by 4 that equal to 1 by 2. Here common ratio R equal to how much came? 1 by 2. So the situation what happened there means it is a situation from a GP. It is the first Roman.